Hey everyone, I'm so happy today. You know why? Because I'm sharing the most amazing tuna melt recipe here with you all today, and it's amazing. It really is. It's so delicious. You have to try it. It's so easy to make and it's so super delicious. So let's get started. Okay, we're using 2 cans of flaked tuna and water, and we've drained out all the water, and we're gonna add this to a bowl. And remember, we're using the flakes and not the chunks. To this, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise to begin with. You know, you just gotta keep on adding a little bit more till it feels right for you. So we're gonna break down those chunks if there are any. You don't want the chunky tuna. You wanna really mix it well and break it down with a fork. Just a little bit more of mayo there, and now we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of dried parsley and a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. That is my special seasoning, guys. You have to try it and don't change anything. We also have 4 boiled eggs that have been chopped up roughly, and we're going to add that and then mix once again. So I know all you home chefs out there like to change the recipe to your liking, but trust me, you have to try it this way at least once. So we also have 1/2 of a yellow Vidalia onion that I have chopped up, and you don't want to chop it too finely. You want to have these little square pieces of the onion. So adding the yellow onion gives a great flavor to the tuna filling and a good bite to the tuna melts itself. Adding just a little bit of mayo again, and I did forget to mention that I am using Japanese mayo. It just makes it all the more better. And we're gonna add a squeeze of fresh lemon. Mix once more and just a dash more of pepper, and it's seasoned perfectly. Now we have some white sandwich bread here, and we're going to lightly butter it. 10 grams of unsalted softened butter. We're just gonna spread it over the bread. So you'll notice I'm using these larger slices of bread. It's best for the tuna melts when you're serving per person. And I'm using a microwave oven with a grill function to toast this bread. You can also use a toaster oven or a regular oven for this purpose, but the grill oven really does a fantastic job. So with this setup, I'm going to switch it to the grill mode and then grill for 2.5 minutes. We don't want to be over toasting the bread. You just want to get nice crisp edges without browning the surface. And we're also going to need natural slices of Havarti cheese. It's my favorite for tuna melts. It's absolutely fabulous. So the bread has been toasted. You can see the sides are crisped up, and we're going to add some tuna filling, a good amount of the tuna filling. And if you're wondering, the amount of tuna filling that we made will make 5 of these tuna melts. And next, we're just going to cover it with the Havarti cheese. You might need more than 1 slice actually, just to cover the filling, and place it back in the microwave in the grill mode for 4 minutes this time, just until the cheese is melted. And you might want to note that different types of cheese melt at different rates, so you might want to watch it. And then we take it out, and the plate will be hot because it's under grill mode, so be careful. And we're just going to torch the top of the cheese, and it smells so good. But you have to be careful not to burn the cheese, and especially any bits of onion that's sticking out. And finally, top with some spring onion greens or scallions. And the best ever tuna melt is ready. Wasn't it simple? You just have to try it this way. I really feel the need to urge you once again not to change any of the ingredients. They're very easy to find ingredients in most places, and just try to make it exactly the same way, and then of course you can play around with it later. It's just so good. I'm craving one again by just watching this video over. And you're really gonna love how light that toasted bread feels in this recipe because of the double grilling. So it's a delicious open-faced tuna melts recipe, and I hope you give the recipe a try. If you like my videos and recipes, please consider subscribing, and do leave me a comment and tell me what you like to add in your tuna melts. Looking forward to hearing from you. See you next time. Bye.